WordPress post and pages, those are types of WordPress default post. Normally, we use post for blog content like a newspaper or an portfolio content, or you will see uh, some different blog websites they are using post for publishing their content. Like these are this post. If we open a new post, add new post, we will see that this new post has some extra features like categories and tags. You will see that here categories and tags, these are called taxonomies. So we can differentiate our post, each post, by selecting a categories or including a tags in each post, and these are dynamic. So here you can see that these is my categories. I can select multiple categories or single categories, or without any categories these will go to uncategorized, and we can select tags right there or just type a new tag to include it in the post. But the difference is between post and pages is that pages doesn't have any categories or tags like the taxonomics, or the taxonomies doesn't have any taxonomies. And normally we use pages for our static content. We use static content like our about us pages, our cart content, checkout content, contact us pages normally. And we will see that in every WordPress website, if we visit our website first, then we will see that every website has some fixed pages normally we use, like that in contact or blog, this is the fixed. Or then you will see that brand, this is fixed pages or only some brand name. So we can use the pages for the fixed content or static content, and the dynamic content for the post. Another difference for using post is the post is dynamic content and is for SEO friendly, and it goes to RSS feed also. But the pages content doesn't go to RSS feed. You need to force it with using your plugins or any pro plugins. So when we use exactly pages and post, if we need some content that we can differentiate, or we can sort out, or we can need to show that, like I will say that, let's say I need some content that undergoes to hair care. So we need post for a category hair care, and we will post multiple posts for under hair category. So that's why we need post. And if we need a fixed content like the brand content, we doesn't have multiple brands like categories hair care brands, body care brands. So normally that doesn't exist. So that's why we need a fixed content or static content for our pages. We'll, of course, we will all change it later, but mostly this contents doesn't need categorized or any taxonomies. So normally our contact us pages, about us pages, privacy policy, these pages are fixed, or any other informations we need normally we doesn't changes it in a long time. So that's when we need to use pages. So if we go to pages here, that you will also see that their categories and tags are doesn't exist here. So that is the main difference, only pages and post. Other than the pages and post are same, we can write the content, write title, same here, and also same title and the content here, also the any blogs or any plugins. Also you can see that I am using Elementor, so we can use post and pages in both sections. So ultimately, and just only thing we need If we need the categories, we can use post, or if we don't need any categories or text, we will use pages.